Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand about CTR. CTR means click-through rate. If you are running a Facebook ad campaign, then for doing analysis, CTR is an important metric. This tells us how well an ad is performing. Are people engaging with it or not? Many times advertisers ask me a question, sir, what is a good CTR? Then I simply answer them that it depends upon various factors like industry, audience, ad quality, location and platform, etc. Now we need to understand what is CTR. CTR is of two types. CTR of link clicks as well as CTR of all clicks. Here we are going to consider CTR of link clicks. It means how many times user have clicked on your CTA button after seeing your ad. The formula of CTR is quite simple. Number of link clicks divided by number of impressions into 100. For example, if your ad campaign have received 1000 impressions and 20 link clicks, then CTR is of 2%. Now the question is same. What is a good average CTR? Then let me tell you, my dear friend, a good average CTR means 1% to 3%. If your product price is quite low, then people are more willing to click on your ad. Then you might experience a higher CTR. Whereas if you are selling a high price product, then less people are likely to click on your ad. So you will experience low CTR. But generally, if you are running a normal ad campaign, then you may experience 1% to 3% of CTR. Whereas if you are running a retargeting ad campaign, then you may experience 5% to 10% of CTR. Now we will discuss what affects CTR. Then first thing that comes in my mind is product price. If your product price is lower, then you will experience a higher CTR. But whereas if your product price is higher, then you may experience a lower CTR. Coming to the second point, which is location. If you are targeting tier 1 cities, then you may experience a higher CTR. But whereas if you are targeting tier 2 or tier 3 cities, then you may experience a low CTR. Although it depends upon the product also. If your product is having high demand in tier 1 cities, then automatically you are going to receive higher CTR in tier 1 cities. Whereas if your product is in more demand at tier 2 or tier 3 cities, then you may experience a higher CTR in tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well. Coming to the audience targeting. If you are targeting the right audience, then you are going to receive a higher CTR. But if your targeting is quite broad, then you are going to experience a lower CTR. Now coming to the ad creatives. If you are creating very attractive ad creatives, then people are going to click on your ad. People are going to stop while scrolling. So you may receive a higher CTR. But whereas if your ad creatives are quite boring and people are not getting attracted, then you may experience a lower CTR. So sir, do you mean that a high CTR is good? No, my dear friend, I am not saying this. Often a high CTR is not good. For example, in an ad campaign, you have received 2% of CTR and 5 website purchase. Whereas in another ad campaign, you have received 5% of CTR but 0 sales. Then it means that a high CTR is not often good many times. Because might be your ad campaign is getting delivered to low quality traffic and people are coming on your website but they are not purchasing. So having a high CTR doesn't mean that you are running a good ad campaign. Okay sir, tell me one more thing. That do retargeting ads have higher CTR? Yes, my dear friend, retargeting ads have higher CTR. You may experience a CTR between 5% to 10% because people have already engaged or interacted with your business before and you are showing ads to them only. Then you may experience a higher CTR because users are already interested in your product and service. That's why they have engaged with your ad creatives before and you have created a retargeting audience. Now concluding this video, average CTR may vary between 1% to 5% if you are running a normal ad campaign, whereas if you are running a retargeting ad campaign, then it may vary between 5% to 10%. Now, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And you can also download Digital Beacon app to learn digital marketing. Link in the video description. Thank you.